Hi, all. Welcome to Diversified Finance. Uh, this is just a quick update regards to Bitcoin price action. So right now, Bitcoin has just gone above 30,000, which is a good sign. But as you can see, after the consolidation or like a capitulation we had, it's been consolidating just below 29, 30K or so. It has gone above 30,000 like once, but it got rejected and came back down. So 30,500 or so, like if we can get above 30,500 and hold that as support, that would be really good. And then looking at RSI, you can see we had this long term RSI resistance, right? From here, it got rejected, came back down, got rejected, and right now, this is on the daily chart. We just broke uh, through this resistance trend line for RSI, which is a good sign, right? We would like to see it comes back, probably comes back down, something like that, retest, or if it keeps on going a lot higher like that and it breaks above this level, which is like 48, things will be looking really good. But we cannot get overly bullish just because we've seen like a small pump. Even let's look at the RS MACD. MACD is having a bullish cross. So this is where we had where Bitcoin pumped to like 48,000, and then we had a bearish cross, and since then we dropped all the way to like 25, 26K. And if we go further back, this is when we had the 69 where Bitcoin hit 69K. So there was a bearish cross on MACD, and since then we've been going down. And then this is when it went up here, it was 48. So looking at this, there's a higher probability, right? Bitcoin could pump a bit higher, at least up to 35 to 40K. And if it can hold uh, that level, 35 to 40K, then we can see like maybe it might go up to 50K. But again, uh, 200 weekly moving average, it's somewhere near 22 to 23K. There's a higher probability we could revisit that area. But before we get there, we might have a rally. Like, this is a possibility. Like, I mean, most probable for me would that's the most probable case for me. So, anyways, let's not get overly bullish. Even right now, we are not out of the woods, right? We're just like, I mean, even 30K, 30,000 to 300, it seems like we haven't done nothing, because if you look at the past few days, it has gone up to about 30K, came right back down. So who knows this? Who knows? This could be like a similar sort of a fake out, but we have to wait and see. But looking at RSI and MACD, things are looking good, probably for short term. But this is something interesting I've seen, right? Any altcoin, you can name any altcoin. Let's say Ethereum, like, this is the number one altcoin, right? If you look at MACD, there's like, bullish cross on MACD. Any altcoin, like most of them. Okay, let's look at XRP. There you go. MACD, this is XRP right here. See XRP, bullish cross, right? And then look, when you see a bullish MACD cross, it it tends to, like, give us the message that the prices are going to go higher, right? Let's say this is like a random altcoin, SLP, right? Bullish cross, again bullish cross. Let's go QNT, bullish cross. This like most of them, I just checked them recently. Let's see, LTC, bullish cross. Let's say Solana, bullish cross. So any altcoin, like, okay, Dogecoin is here, let's have a look at that as well. Again, so it's just about to make a bullish cross. So most of the altcoins, like, looks like they're oversold, and they're trying to pump higher from oversold levels. So we could expect like a rally for altcoins as well, but it all depends on what Bitcoin does. So let's not get ahead. So that's something I've seen in any kind of altcoins. There's a bullish MACD cross happening right now. So does it mean in the coming few weeks we might go a little bit higher, like maybe 30, 40, 50% higher? Yes, like there's a probability it could happen. Given that Bitcoin goes to like 35K or even to 40K, and if it holds there, then there's a chance that all coins will pump lot higher, right? It could be short term, right? Bitcoin could revisit 22 to 23K, but we had to wait and see. Okay, so that's just a quick video regards to Bitcoin price action. Okay, let's also look at the DXY. So this DXY US dollar is inversely correlated to the share market and for Bitcoin price action as well. So what if, let's say, US dollar comes back to this level to retest? Like there's like a little bit of support here, because over here we kind of like gone parabolic, right? So if I do this, if I zoom out a bit, you can see how parabolic it has gone, right? Just went straight up there. So if DXY, like US dollar, drops to say 99, if we are really lucky, if it breaks below 99 and comes back all the way to like 96, where there's like a really good support right here, man, then Bitcoin will pump lot harder. Even Nasdaq share market will pump lot higher as well. If that happens, it's good. And then for US dollar DXY, look at the MACD. It's a bearish MACD cross, like a pretty obvious one. Looks like there's a lot of downside for DXY, like in the US dollar. So in that terms, like looking at these conditions, like we could expect Bitcoin to pump a little bit higher, like maybe 35 to 40K. And when that happens, we can have a look at the charts, and I'll give you another update probably in a few days or in a week or so. So that's all for this video. Thanks for your time. I'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.